Shading hair is even more challenging than drawing curly hair because it requires a lot of details and understanding of the shadow and highlights. Hey everyone, welcome back to Draw and Art, and in this video I'll walk you through the 4 steps to understand how to shade a curly hair. But before that, let's pause the video and note it down all of the materials that I have used in this video. So step number 1 is volume. Before you begin drawing the hair, adding volume is helpful to draw the head in rough strokes. So first I'm starting off to build the base layer, no sharp outlines, by using the blending stump for each layer. This will help to create the impression of softness as a basic foundation, because if you draw hair without considering the three-dimensional shape of the head, it won't have enough volume and you face the risk of breaking off a part of the head. So what am I doing here? Just blend out all of the base layer with the tissue paper for the further details. Now the base layer is almost done and you can see this is merged out very well, very smoothly. Now let's move on to the next step. The next step is flow. Look for patterns in the hair to find out directional stroke where the majority of hair is flowing. Make it thinner as it goes into the light. Make it thicker as it goes into the shadow. This will help to bring depth to the hair. So the third step is value. What is value? Value is the darkness or lightness of a color which consists of 3 parts to make any object two-dimensional. The first part is midtones. Hair are soft. Smooth transitions between values with even gradations often leads to the illusion of a smoother surface texture. So, adding midtones helps the hair look subtle and very natural. The next part is highlight. Adding highlights to the curly hair defines so much of the hair realism because it gives depth to the object when pulling out highlights by using an eraser. For this, a Tombow Mono Zero eraser is perfect because it gives a lot of precision and you can erase even individual hairs as well. The next part is shadow. You can call it contrast as well. Contrast is important. It is the darkest part of the hair. So be sure to have a background value in mind. This will make your curly hair stand out. So what I'm doing here is just adjusting the darker tones by adding additional application of the graphite, which is I'm using here the 9B pencil for the darker tone, and make the areas lighter with your eraser where you feel like you have added more darker tones in there. I'm also using here the electrical eraser for erasing the stubborn dark areas. Yeah, that's it. The last or the fourth step is texture. Hair is soft, but there should be some indication of linear texture. Textures make unique sensation to your drawing. To create the impression of linear texture, create each pencil stroke by flicking your wrist, pulling from the darkest area of each chunk to the highlight. The pencil lines should fade off as you add more layers to the darker places. Pull a few strokes through the highlight as well. Additionally, it's very crucial to make sure that each pencil stroke curves in the direction of the curve. So this is it for today's tutorial. I hope that you have learned something out of it. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.